Okay, this is the song Freebird, simple harmonization. I'm going to start with the right hand and play the melody. Listen to how that rhythm goes. 1. Okay, and this is the left hand on the chords. I'm actually going to add a chord on beat 3 of the first measure. I'm going to add a D chord with an F sharp in the bass. So that's going to look like this. It's a 5 chord in first inversion. It just kind of makes it, I think that's, if you listen to it, generally you're going to hear that chord. So here it is. Simple triads, D with F sharp in the bass, E minor, then we go to F major, C major, and then D. Okay, this is what it'll sound like, just a simple harmonization, hands together. Again, this is as simple as we can do it. We can add, you can add, more notes, more rhythm, however you feel it, but this is what I want, the most basic thing that I want to hear. All right, here we go. Okay, so start with that, and then you can add more rhythm, more notes as you get better at it. So, all right, I'll look forward to hearing that on Friday. Thanks.